How to fix Instagram DM fail to send. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can try to switch Wi-Fi network with your mobile data as well. And after that, make sure that your Instagram application is updated. If not, you can update it from the Google Play Store. And once you update the application, log into your account and try to send that DM again. If still not and you are still facing that problem, now open up the settings in your mobile device and from here head over to apps. Now from here tap on see all apps and under this list navigate to Instagram. Go to Instagram and once you land in app info page, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Sometimes clearing the cache in your device will remove all the junk file of this application from your device that might be causing the problem. Once you clear all the junk file of Instagram, now open up the Instagram and check whether your problem will be solved or not. If that still doesn't work, then simply log out of your Instagram account. After you log that out, refresh your application or restart your device and then open up the Instagram again, log back into your account in Instagram. And after that, your problem will be solved. So that's how you can fix Instagram DM fail to send in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.